Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup coverage details using USAA app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the USAA app on your device. Log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the insurance section on the screen. Tap on coverage. Here, you'll find details about your insurance policy. Look for an option labeled Backup or Download Coverage Details. Select this option to proceed. The app may prompt you to choose a format for the backup. Select your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. After choosing the format, tap on Confirm or Download. Wait for the app to prepare your coverage details. Once the process is complete, a notification will appear. You may now access the downloaded file from your device's storage. If you prefer, share the file via email or cloud services. Be sure to keep this backup secure for future reference. You have successfully backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.